Good morning, children. This is Shashi here. And as we have completed exercise 3B, so we are going to start exercise 3C. Okay, so exercise 3C, we have to find the square. You can see here 23 square. We have to find. So, how you will find 23 square? You will say, sir, 23 into 23. Just we have to multiply, we'll get 23 square. Okay, so multiplication will do and we'll get. Okay, so this is the method, but this way you don't have to do. It is mentioned here. It is mentioned here that using column method. Just look at here, using column method. Okay, and in another question here also 67 square, 86 square, 137 square, you have to find the square using diagonal method. So we are going to discuss the two method how we can find the square of any number. Okay, so this one you have to make the column like this and you have to find the square of any number, and this is your column method. Okay, you have to make the column. This is your diagonal method. You have to using diagonally you have to find. Okay, so one by one we'll discuss. So first of all we'll discuss this part, using column method, how to find any square of any number. Okay, so I told you that you have to learn the formula a plus b whole square. Formula is needed here. What do you know? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula is required here. So all of you remember this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this formula you need it. Okay, now suppose I have to find the square of 46 using column method. Okay, which method? Column method. So first of all we have to make column. We have to make one column. Okay, and inside the column we have to write here a square 2ab. What do you know the formula? A square plus 2ab, a square 2ab and b square. Okay, a square 2ab and b square we have written. Now look at here, this one 46 square is there. So in this part a will consider a equal to 4. This 4 will consider as a, and b will consider as the second digit, that is 6. Okay, so we have to find 46 square. So a is our 4. So here what will get? 4 square. Okay, then 2ab. So 2 into a. What is your a? 4 into 4. What is your b? What is your b? B is your 6. So we'll write here. Then here b square. B square, what is your b? 6 square. So we'll write here 6 square. Okay. Now 4 square, how much will get? This 4 square will get here 16, and 2 into 4 8, 8 into 6 48. So we'll write here 48. Okay, we'll write here 48. So I am writing here 48. Now 6 square, this 6 square, how much will get? What do you know? 6 square 36. So we'll write here 36. Now there is a twist. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to underline the last digit. Okay, last digit we have to underline, and the remaining part, this one this one is remained, this one 3 is remained, so this 3 will be added here. Okay, this 3 will be added here. Got it? So 48 plus 3, how much will get? 51 will get. 48 plus 3, this 3, first part, the last digit we have underlined, and this remaining 3 will be added here. So I have added here 3. This 3 will be added here. Okay, now in 48 we have added 3, we have got 51. Okay, now this 51, again the last digit will be underlined, and this 5 will be added here. Okay, this 5 will be. So after adding 16 plus 5, how much will get? 16 plus 5 will get 21. Got it? Now this 21, both the digit will be underlined. Once again I am telling you from the beginning, 6 square, this 6 square we have got 36. So this 36 last digit we have underlined, and this 3 we have added here. So 48 plus 3 we have got 51. So this last digit 1 we have underlined, and remaining 5 we have added here. 16 plus 5 will get 21, and in the last both the digit will be considered. Okay, so now what we have to do here? Underline 1 we have to write down. Okay, so what is underlined here? I told you in the last both the digit will be underlined. So 21. Here what is the underlined part? Last digit I told you to underline, so 1 is underlined here, so we'll get here 1. Then here last digit is underlined, last digit will write here. Okay, so this is your answer. 46 square is equal to how much? 2116. Okay, so this is the method. Once again, so I'll discuss with your question only. Question from your book. What is your question? Look at here. The question is given, find each of the following using the column method. Column method we have to find. So I am doing the last one. You can see here, among here 52, 35, 23, 96. 96 is the largest number. So this last number I am doing for you. Okay, rest you can do on your own. Okay, so 96 square. This question I am doing for you. 96 square. Okay, first of all what we have to do? We have to make a column. We have to make column. I have drawn one column. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in the first one what we'll write here? In the first one a square, then here 2ab, then b square. Okay, and how much we have to find? What is the square? 96 square we have to find. Okay, so a will take as what? 9, and b will take as 6. Okay, now a square, look at here in the column a square, the first one a square. So a square, that means what? 9 square. So 9 square, how much will get? 81. So 81 we have written here. Then 2ab, 2 into a is our 9, so 9 into b is our 6, so into 6. Okay, so how much will get? 2 into 9, 18, 18 6 is 18 6 is 100. How much? 108. Okay, Now b square, what is our b? B is our 6. So b square, that is 6 square. So 6 square, how much will get? 36. Isn't it? We'll get 36. Now what we have to do? Now as I told you, last digit will underline, and the remaining one we have to add here. Okay, so I am going to add here the remaining part. What remained here? 3. So 3 I am adding here. 108 plus 3. 108 plus 3, how much will get? 111. Okay, now in 108 plus 11, so now last digit, again the last digit will underline, and what is left? 11 is left here, so 11 we will add here. Okay, 81 plus 11 will get here 92, and in the first column both we have to underline. Okay, in the first column both we have to underline. So the which we have to write here, the first column both ones, so both I have circled, then last digit, and then last digit. Okay, so what we'll get here? So answer, what answer we are going to get? 6. This 6 we'll write here 6, this one we'll write here 1, and in the first column both the digit. So in the first column both the digit, 92. Okay, so what was our question? 96 square. So 96 square, how much we have got? 9216. Okay, so this way you can solve by which method? This is your column method. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now rest of the question, 23 square, 36 square, and 52 square. I hope you can do on your own. 52 square, 35 square, and 23 square using column method. Okay, so this method using column method. Now tomorrow we'll discuss the diagonal method. This method, diagonally, how we can square any number. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you.